Okay, so this is the Vanity. We've got a little holder on here. It opens out the zip. We've got pockets inside. So this is the mini version. And there are another 3 sizes bigger than this. So I'm going to show you the version I've made, which is the large size travel bag. So this is massive. The size of this is big, but that's what I wanted, that's what I needed. So I've done contrasting zips, so the green zip, and I've done the shorter handles. We've got a zip pocket here and a slip pocket here, and well, let me show you what I've got inside this. So in here I have got 1 and 2 of those really useful box codes. We've got a giant pocket on this side and then 2 half-size pockets on this side as well. And so yeah, I've got this travel strap. I've made a fabric strap to match, as well as the green one. So I think it's a really super bag. It definitely fits my needs for a weekend holiday bag. This, like I said, this is the large size. It is massive. It fits 2 of those 9-litre really useful boxes in with a bit of room besides. But I think, yeah, it's going to work. See me on my jollies next week. Okay, I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really soon.